Good morning, children. Today we are going to study the days of the week. Do you know what is the day today? Yes, today is Thursday. Then what day will it be tomorrow? Yes, it is Friday. Then what day was it yesterday? The day before Thursday is Wednesday. Do you know the days of the week? How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Which all are the 7 days? Which is the first day of the week? Monday. Then second day of the week? Tuesday. What comes after Tuesday? It is Wednesday. After Wednesday? Thursday. What comes after Thursday? After Thursday is Friday. What comes after Friday? Saturday. Then the last day is Sunday. So how many days are there? There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. First day is Monday and the last day is Sunday. Okay. And do you know which is the year? Which is this year? This year is 2021. 2021. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months. There are 12 months in an year. Okay. Which is the first month of the year? Which is this month? Yes, it is January. So, January is the first month of the year. Which is the second month? February. Then third month is March. Then fourth one is April. Then May. Then June. Then seventh month is July. Eighth month is August. Then September, October, November, December. How many months are there? There are 12 months in an year. There are 12 months in an year. The year divided into 12 months. This 12 months again we divide into weeks. This week, each week we have 7 days. Okay. There are 7 days in a week. Today is Thursday. The day after Thursday, Friday. So you study how many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week. And how many months in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Which is the first month? January. Which is the last month? December. Okay. I hope you already studied the days of the week and months of the year. Take your notebook and copy down these notes. Then take your textbook, page number 162 and write, first question, write the days of the week. The first day, which is the first day of the week? Monday. Then third day, sixth day, last day. Next, write the day on which the activity is done. See, look at this. The day, which day he cycling? Which day? Fourth day. Which day is the fourth day? Is Thursday. Then which day he is swimming? That is swimming on second day. So it is a Tuesday. Then which day he is watching online class? That is fifth day. It is Friday. Next, write the day that comes after. Which day after Wednesday? The day after Wednesday is Thursday. What is the day after Saturday? The day after Saturday is Sunday. Which day after Sunday? The day after Sunday is Monday. Write the day that comes before. Which is the day before Friday? The day before Friday is Thursday. The day before Monday is Sunday. The day before Saturday, which day comes before Saturday, is Friday. Then write the day 2 days after. Write which is the day after 2 days than Tuesday. The day after 2 days than Tuesday is after Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So 2 days after is Thursday. What is the day after 2 days than Thursday? That means after Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Right here, Saturday. Then Sunday, which is the day after 2 days than Sunday. That is after Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Write the day 2 days before. The day 2 days before than Monday. 2 days before. One day before is Sunday. Again one more day, that is Saturday. Then which is the day 2 days before Friday? That means the day before Friday is Thursday. Then the day one more day before it is Wednesday. So you can write here Wednesday. Okay. And one more question. The day 2 days before than Wednesday. The day before Wednesday is Tuesday and one more day before is Monday. That means you have to count 2 days backwards of the year. Take page number 164. Next one is months of the year. How many months in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Which is the first month? January is the first month. December is the last month. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Which month we celebrate Christmas? In the month of December. Which month we celebrate Independence Day? India become independent is August. Which month is we celebrate Republic Day? It's January. You know the date? It is January 26th. And you have some celebrations also. Write the month above each picture. Match the picture to the occasion. One has been done for you. See the month of October here. See, what are you doing there in the month of October? You see, what are you doing in which month you are doing this activity that you do in October. Which month we celebrate Christmas? It's on December. Which month we celebrate Independence Day of India? It's on August. And which month we celebrate Children's Day? In the month of November. Then you have to draw line and match it also like this. See, the month of October we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day here. And you have to write the months also. And which month we celebrate Christmas? December. Write here December. Then draw line and match it. Next, fill in the blanks. Teachers' Day falls in the month of. Which day we celebrate Teachers' Day? Yes? See, you are wishing the teacher. That means in the month of September. Write down here September. Then, dash comes after March. Which is the month after March? Is April. Write here April. Next, we celebrate Republic Day in the month of. Which month we celebrate Republic Day? In the month of January. Write here January. Okay. Then take your next page. Here's an activity for you. It is given a calendar. It is the year 2017 and this year is 2021. Color the months with exactly 30 days in blue. Which all months are there exactly 30 days? Here is January 31, February 28 and March is 31. April is exactly 30. So you have to color this with the blue. Okay. Next, May, then June is again 30. So you have to color with the blue. Next, July and August is 31. So September is only 30 days. You color it September in blue. And October 31, November is 30. And December, that has 31 days. How many are there? How many are there? You have to count which all months have only 30 days. Which all in blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means you have only 4 months in blue color. You write the names. Okay. Here you write which all months only 30 days. One month is April. Then June. Then September, and November. Next, color the months with exactly 31 days in yellow. Exactly 31. See, January, color with yellow. Take a yellow color and color it. March, take yellow and color it. May, 31 days, color it. July, 31 days, color it. August, 31 days, color it. And October, 31 days, and December. How many months you have got? 31 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7 months. You have got 7 months, 31 days. Pick up the name and write it. Okay. Write the name of the months that have 31 days. Next, which month has not been colored? Did you get any of the month that not colored? Yes. Which is the month? It is February. It is February, isn't it? So February has only 28 days. And you write here, it is February. How many days are there in February? In this month only 28. And February is the shortest month of the year with 28 days. Do you know which is leap year? That means there in a leap year there are 29 days in the month of February. Is it 2021 is a leap year? You check the calendar and find in the month of February how many days are there. If it is 28, it is not a leap year. If it is 29, it is a leap year. And you check the calendar 2020, the last year's calendar, and check the month of February, whether this month has 29 or 28 days. February, that means if it is 29, 2020 is a leap year. Get it? I hope you have understood the days of the week and months of the year. Okay. Then all of you have to copy down the notes. Then today's class is over. Thank you.